Hello and welcome to this video. If you're part of an IT team that is managing a Linux environment that is composed of a mix of Linux distributions, and you're having a challenge to identify vulnerable systems, to fix the security vulnerabilities on a timely basis, stop using many tools. You can consolidate to a unified enterprise level solution for patch management for both Red Hat and Debian-based systems, and also see the pending Linux patches at the errata level to fix bugs, security, or enhancements, and how you can execute the patching of these security vulnerabilities efficiently to close critical security gaps. The solution is Orcharhino, a Linux orchestration and lifecycle management solution that is vendor independent and tested. Orcharhino supports all Linux distributions, Red Hat based and Debian based, and it also can perform provisioning, configuration, and lifecycle management. It integrates with Ansible, Puppet, and SaltStack, and it supports these virtual hypervisors and cloud instances. Now I'm going to show you the Orcharhino dashboard. This is the Orcharhino dashboard. I'm going to go to all hosts so I can see the list of hosts. I'm going to work with this host that is running Ubuntu 24.04. As you can see, there are many distributions here, Rocky, Alma, different versions. Let's go to this server. This host is registered to Orcharhino. And here immediately we see in the overview the number of errata that need to be addressed, the details of the host, it shows the different security advisory, bug fixes, and enhancements. With Orcharhino, you can perform a targeted patching to fix the security vulnerabilities on a timely basis because it works at the errata level, giving you that granularity and control at the time of patching. So here you can see there is one security advisory that needs to be addressed for this system. And now I'm going to show you how you can execute and apply these patches to close the security vulnerability. We can click on the security advisory. The content host that is affected, which is the one that we started working with, and which repositories are affected. So these are the repositories that Orcharhino mirrors from the upstream. So it keeps a copy of this repository in the Orcharhino server. Execute this. So I'm going to select this errata and apply this errata and fix it. It was successful, and I can see exactly what was run on the system. We go back to the host. There's another way to execute the patch. So I can select that specific host and other hosts at the same time and schedule a remote job. I can schedule a remote job to be executed immediately or set a schedule. So I am going to choose the job category packages in this case and update all packages. Next. I can set a time schedule, immediate execution, or a future execution. And I can set a date. That is another way of execution ran successfully. So here we see that the installation of this errata was successful. Another way of executing the patches for security vulnerabilities is to go from this list a specific set of errata. So here it lists all of the applicable or installable erratas that are pertaining to the environment and to a specific repository. In here, I can see the type of errata that it is pertaining to, in this case, security, which CVEs this errata will patch for, and when it was issued and last updated, and a full description, and the packages that are in directly from here. And in this case, it gives me the host that it is affected, and I can select that specific host. And we can see that this patch executed successfully, and look at the details of what was run in the system. Let's go back to the list of hosts. And I want to show you that you can see all the packages that are installed on this host. So if we go to content and the tab here, packages, we can see all the packages that are installed on this host. It indicates which ones are up to date here and which ones are needing an update, so upgradable. So you can also execute the targeted patching and produce unnecessary changes that could impact and have a high risk in the production environment. Thank you. And if you're interested in trying Orcharhino in your environment, contact us at svasoftware.com/Orcharhino. Thank you for your time.